Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Join me in my quick unboxing of the all-new 50-inch COOCAA Smart TV with Android 8.0 Oreo OS and Google Assistant built in. So join me, let's go! Alright, so let's unbox the COOCAA 50-inch Android Smart TV. Okay. 2 feet.
Okay.
Wall mount if you want to install the TV on your wall. Just do the background. And stylo to set the TV.
Of course, COOCAA 50S5G comes with these important documentation, including the quick start guide and a user manual, as well as the warranty card and certificate. Actually, this 50-inch Android Smart TV, as well as all other COOCAA Smart TVs that are being offered at the Lazada Philippines flash sale, come with 2 years warranty. In this bag, we have the remote control, the cable for connecting the TV to an electrical outlet, a small card from COOCAA, and finally we have the batteries for the remote control, which I think is nice, so you won't have to buy them separately.
Okay, so this is how you pull the TV out of its box. You just hold its sides and you pull it out. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna smile now. There you go. How it looks. So that's the COOCAA.
This 50-inch COOCAA Android TV comes with 2 plastic feet with metallic finish, which you can connect to the device by using 2 Phillips screws each. Connecting both feet is rather easy, just make sure that the screws are properly aligned and tightened. Before connecting the TV to an electrical outlet and turning it on, make sure that you remove all of the plastic transparent strips that cover the display bezels. This TV has very slim bezels that truly put the emphasis on the display itself, whether you're playing 3D games for Android, watching your favorite movies on Netflix, or viewing vlogs on YouTube.
Okay, so let's turn it on. We're plugging this in.
Needless to say, before we can turn on the TV, we'd have to plug it first to an electrical outlet using the DC cable that's provided, and also to put the 2 batteries in the remote control. Obviously, the remote control is essential in navigating the interface of the COOCAA 50-inch Smart TV.
Okay, so now we're ready to turn on the COOCAA 50-inch Smart TV that runs on Android 8.0 Oreo OS. Okay, so let's just click on the power button here. There, as you can see, it's an Android TV. Actually, this TV runs on the Android 8.0 Oreo OS, which gives you access to the many applications from the Google Play Store. Okay, so this TV actually runs on a quad-core processor and 2.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. So join me as I set it up. So for that, you're just gonna use the remote control. I'm gonna choose English, okay. Set up tayo, ha? So set up your TV with the Android phone or tablet. So I'm gonna skip it for now. Okay, so I'm now here at the M2.0 communications head office. So we're gonna connect it to their Wi-Fi network. For Google Terms of Service, we're just gonna accept it. For location services, yes. Performance, yes. Name of your globe, so I'm just gonna name it Android TV for now. And we are there. In the Philippines, software notice, agree, I've read that. And we're gonna choose how we want to connect to TV. It's either antenna or cable, so let's choose antenna for now. And you can scan for all of the TV channels. Just gonna let it scan, because this TV actually has a built-in DTV receiver, so that's digital TV, which is a lot cleaner looking, or a lot more crisp than your typical analog TV reception. So let's continue setup. Oh, so here we're just gonna learn more about the features of Android TV. So next. Home is your guide to entertainment. So just press home, this button on your remote to get to the Android TV home screen. From here, you can decide what you want to watch by browsing entertainment options from apps and live TV. Okay, next. Your home has channels. Discover great content for your favorite apps by browsing through your home's channels. For more content, add additional channels or find new apps in Google Play. Next. Always know what to play next. Start playing where you left off and get notifications about the new episodes in the Play Next channel at the top of your home. Press and hold select on your movie or TV show to add it directly to the Play Next channel. A world of entertainment from Google Play. Buy or rent the newest movies and shows from Google Play, Movies and TV. Listen to the millions of songs with a subscription to Google Play Music. And finally, Chromecast built-in. Wow, so that's really a cool feature. So you won't have to buy a dongle for Chromecast because this TV already has it built in. So stream your favorite entertainment from your phone, tablet, or laptop right to your TV. So Chromecast actually allows you to connect your Android smartphone to your TV, and from there, you can already use this TV as an extension of your smartphone. Done. So we're just adding a finishing touches, and we're ready to watch TV on our new COOCAA 50-inch Smart TV with Android OS. Alright, so we've done the unboxing and the initial setup of the 50-inch COOCAA Smart TV that runs on the Android 8.0 Oreo operating system. So this is how the home screen looks, and since this TV runs on Android OS, you can customize this depending on how you like it. Alright, so now let's go to the 5 things that I love about the COOCAA 50-inch Smart TV.
The first thing I like about this 50-inch smart TV would have to be its ultra-high 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, which really delivers ultra-clear details. This is a real treat on a TV at this price point. The second thing that I love about this TV would have to be its smart audio with SRS Dolby Audio Plus sound system, which really gives an enhanced audio experience when watching movies.
I know I said no more surprises, but
I also like that the Netflix app already comes pre-installed on the TV, so you can already start watching your favorite movies or TV series on the gorgeous IPS screen right after unboxing this device.
Alright, so since this TV supports Google Assistant, you can actually talk to it. Like for example, you can ask it to play a YouTube video or even to search the internet for whatever it is that you're looking for. You can also ask it to perform tasks, for example, for all appliances in your house that are connected to Google Assistant. For example, you can ask it to turn on or turn off your electric fan and even your aircon if it's connected to Google.
And finally, what I love about the COOCAA 50S5G is that it has powerful internal hardware headlined by the quad-core processor running Android 8.0 Oreo operating system and a 2.5 gigs of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking experience when playing games or jumping from one app to another.
Alright, so there you go. That's my quick unboxing, initial setup, and navigation of the interface of the 50-inch COOCAA Smart TV, which you can get for a very competitive price via the upcoming COOCAA Lazada partnership sales. Just go to the official page of COOCAA on Lazada to take advantage of this very generous offer and to see the other COOCAA TVs which will be offered for a lot less. This is Mark of Tech Pinas, and bye for now!